Perceive of yourself in your career. Plan what you need to do to get there. Prepare yourself, work your plan. Persist. You have to keep going. You have to give it a shot.
Because a lot of stuff is space qualified for a lot less than it actually does. If we say
them out with clean rooms, but they do it every day to build these facility, that chamber itself, it's no longer
just the basic, Earth satellite.
It was definitely an overwhelming experience at first because everybody was trying to do their own thing and not like actually coming together. Looking at a lot of the manuals and doing a lot of the research was pretty daunting because there's just so much of it. Doing all of the matrices and the calculations was pretty tough, but eventually you do get the hang of it with the help of your team and other contamination risk analysts out there.
an example for the budget?
One, I think, when we were still like separate teams, what the aquifer.
Yeah.
I'm a shy person at school, so getting to know these new people and talking in front of others and in front of you one-on-one is something that's different for me. So I'm glad I got to experience this.
What would happen to make us cancel the admission early? We do have things in place.
Go over possible presentation questions as a team, and we have a couple of meetings.
And that's an area that's very important that many universities in Virginia are concentrating.
As high schoolers or maybe rising freshmen in college can contribute to fusion energy.
I am Maria Marks, and I'm the mission outreach person.
Feedback. How do countries stack up? So I have a colleague of mine.
Anybody else?
I wish I had known that I would get to meet all these amazing people who work for NASA. I didn't realize how many of them I would get to meet and talk to and actually work with and try to work problems out with. So yeah, I wish I had known that before.
Really looking forward to this week. I'm looking forward to analyzing. So they have a whole suite of in situ trace gas analyzers in there.
The picture shows you an example of some of the instrumentation units that we use.
But yeah, that's basically what I have now.
August, I believe in 2023.
The reaction with atomic oxygen in...
We're using just the CRIS instrument, and that is the cross-track...
Mission specifics that we're looking at.
About the collaborative efforts of this mission.
One of them that stuck with me the most was the one today with Dr. Darden, the hidden figure. Her whole story is very inspirational and very inspiring. And I actually got a chance to be able to ask her a question, the last person to do so. And so to me, just being able to have that experience and to speak with someone who has had such a great experience within this field and have such a inspirational story behind it, I think that is going to be one of the things that I remember always.
I really truly am impressed.
Recalibration tests will be done to ensure proper functioning of instruments to use in
substance in the Arctic, also known as ELSA. ELSA's purpose is to provide.
We will also partner with Northrop Grumman.
Research data which will help scientists better understand.
It teaches you skills that school can't. I mean, you just can't learn about doing projects with 40 people at school. You're never going to get that experience in a classroom there. And also, you're never going to have the opportunity to talk with scientists like Dr. Darden or Dr. Seasley. And so it's really just rare that you get the chance to do that in high school, and just take advantage of it when you can.